Hello my dear friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video, we'll be solving another very interesting rational equation problem for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be 0. So I can write our answer cannot be -5 and -3. Now I can see from this denominator I can take 3 common out. From this denominator I can take 4 common out. So I can write our equation 1 over 3 will come out. So 3 power 3, as we have power 3, x plus 3 over x plus 5 whole cube, plus I will take 4 common, so it will come out as 4 cube. Then in the bracket we'll write x plus 5 over x plus 3 whole cube equal to 3 over 4. Now I will multiply our equation by 12 cube. So I will multiply our equation by 12 cube. Let's multiply 12 cube. This side also will multiply with 12 cube. Now you can see 12 cube over 3 cube. We will get 4 cube. 12 over 3 is 4. 12 cube over 4 cube. We will write this is 3 cube. And if I will simplify RHS, this will give us 1296. So our equation will become, I will write 4 cube times x plus 3 over x plus 5 whole cube plus 3 cube times x plus 5 over x plus 3 whole cube equal to 1296. Now I will club or consider this 4 power 3 into the bracket. So I can multiply 4 with the bracket's numerator. So I will write 4x plus 4 times 3 is 12 over x plus 5 whole cube plus 3 will be multiplied with x plus 5. So I can write 3x plus 5 over x plus 3 whole cube equal to 1296. So we have to solve this equation. Let me write our equation here. Here it is. Now I will consider this bracket equal to A and this bracket we'll call B. So the very first equation which we can write, A cube plus B cube equal to 1296. Let's say this is equation 1. Now I will multiply A with B. Let's find out A times B. So I can write here 4x plus 12 over x plus 5. This is our A times 3x plus 15 over x plus 3. Now I can take 4 common from the numerator. So I will write x plus 3 over x plus 5 and 3 common from here. I will get x plus 5 over x plus 3. Now we can cancel x plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 3, x plus 3. So we will get A times B equal to 4 times 3, 12. Let me write here AB equal to 12. This is our equation number 2. A cube plus B cube is 1296. AB is 12. Now I will use one algebraic identity. Let me write here equation 1, A cube plus B cube equal to 1296 with AB value 12. Now I will use a plus b whole cube formula, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab in the bracket a plus b. Now I will consider a plus b suppose equal to t. So I can write our equation t cube equal to a cube plus b cube, equation number 1, 1296 plus 3 times ab is 12. So 3 times 12 times a plus b is t. So I can write our equation t cube minus 36t minus 1296 equal to 0. Now this is one cubic equation. We can solve using method of factorization. I can see the factors of 1296. It is 108 times 12. So I will consider our split of middle term, which is minus 36t. I will write minus 144t plus 108t. Addition will give us minus 36t minus 1296 equal to 0. Now from first two terms I can take t common. So in the bracket we will get t square minus 144, which is 12 square. And from last two terms I can take 108 common. So in the bracket I will get t minus 12 equal to 0. Now we can apply difference of two squares formula. So we can write our equation will become t times t plus 12 times t minus 12 plus 108 times t minus 12 equal to 0. Now we can take t minus 12 common out. So we will write t minus 12 times, in other bracket we'll write t times t plus 12, which is t square plus 12t plus 108 equal to 0. From product 0 rule we can write either t minus 12 will be equal to 0 or t square plus 12t plus 108 equal to 0. So from first equation we can easily find out t equal to 12. Now the turn of quadratic equation, I will check the discriminant value as we are calculating real solutions. So b square minus 4ac. So I will write b 12 square minus 4 times 1 times 108. So this will give us 144 minus 108 times 4 will be 432. 144 minus 432 will be negative for sure. Once discriminant is coming out negative, we will get complex solutions. So we can reject this quadratic equation. So accepted t would be 12. Now t was our substitution a plus b. So I will write a plus b equal to 12 and our equation number 2, a times b equal to 12. So we have one system where sum of roots and product of roots, both values are coming out 12. So we can solve by calculating b from the first equation. I will write 12 minus a, which we will apply here in the second equation. So I can write a times 12 minus a equal to 12 or 12a minus a square equal to 12. Take all the terms to RHS. A square minus 12a plus 12 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. I can use quadratic formula. So we can write formula a equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. So as per our equation, capital A is the coefficient of small a square, which is 1. B will be equal to negative 12 and C will write plus 12. Let's find out the value of small a. So I will write a will be equal to 12 plus minus square root of 144, which is the square of negative 12, minus 4 times 1 times 12 divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. This will give us 12 plus minus square root of 144 minus 48 divided by 2. 144 minus 48 will be 96. So I can write 12 plus minus square root 96 divided by 2. So 96 can be factorized 16 times 6. So I will write 12 plus minus 4 square root 6 over 2. So from here we will be having 6 plus minus 2 square root 6. So we are getting two a values, 6 plus 2 root 6 and 6 minus 2 root 6. And a was our substitution. A was 4x plus 12 over x plus 5. This was a equal to 6 plus 2 root 6 and 6 minus 2 root 6. Now I can divide this equation by 2. So let us divide. I will write 2x plus 6 over x plus 5. This will be equal to 3 plus root 6 and I will write here 3 minus root 6. So I have to frame two equations. So if I will write our first equation, 2x plus 6, this will be equal to 3 plus root 6 times x plus 5. And second equation will be 2x plus 6 equal to 3 minus root 6 times x plus 5. Let me write equations here. 2x plus 6 equal to 3 plus root x times x plus 5. Let's solve this equation first. So I will write 2x plus 6. This will be equal to 3x plus 15 plus x root 6 plus 5 root 6. So I will take all the terms to RHS. I will get 3x minus 2x, x, 15 minus 6, 9, plus x root 6 plus 5 root 6 equal to 0. So I can take x common from first and third term. So I will be getting root 6 plus 1, and in RHS I will write minus of 9 plus 5 root 6. Now x will be equal to minus of 9 plus 5 root 6 over root 6 plus 1. Now we will use rationalization of denominator. So we need to multiply here with root 6 minus 1. So in the numerator, root 6 minus 1. So denominator will become root 6 square minus 1 square. So denominator will be 6 minus 1, 5. And in numerator we will get minus sign in the bracket 4 root 6 plus 21. So this is our first answer. And second answer we will get from here, 2x plus 6 equal to 3 minus root 6 times x plus 5. Once we will solve in the same manner as we have solved earlier, we will get x equal to 4 root 6 minus 21 over 5. So this is our second solution. And here we have our first solution. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.